ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here to unbox our first unboxing for the season with Ozai N Ku.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, spring has arrived in the boutique and we cannot be more excited. It's snowy, it's very cold today.
But the sun is shining.
The sun is shining, which is always nice, by the way, in this country. Like, I get a lot of complaints from my sisters where it's dark for the whole day and rainy and windy and kind of 3-4 degrees. But
no, it's nice.
I'm always grateful for our winters, even though it's a lot of snow.
It is a lot of snow.
You like snow.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love when it's like this, crisp and sunny and snow stays on the ground. But what is also so exciting about it is that we look forward to our winter holidays.
Yes.
Which this new line that we just brought in is so perfect for travel. You are all going to love it so much.
Yeah.
I know it seems early to have spring, summer items in the boutique, but once you see, you are going to know why we brought them in early. We brought them in early because cruises, south.
Of course. And then you have a fresh
Holidays.
piece in your summer wardrobe when spring comes here.
Yeah, absolutely.
And summer.
All right, should we start?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Well, okay. I'm going to start with your favorite.
Oh,
So, Ozai N Ku.
the shirt I got last year, yes.
And look at this print.
Yeah.
Isn't it
Yeah,
stunning?
and this design, it's really adorable. It's got this cute little interesting neckline with half a little mandarin collar, and then it has this shawl collar, and then these great pockets.
And the crinkle is
and
set
the
into the
crinkle.
fabric.
I know. It's great.
Travel
Travel well.
Wash and dry, hang it out.
Yeah,
see?
what a beautiful print too, hey?
So you have it from last year?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wore it a lot.
You did
Remember?
wear it a lot, yes.
A lot.
Yeah, but how gorgeous is this color?
Yeah, the print is gorgeous.
Don't you love
with
it?
With the little chartreuse
With
in
that
it.
chartreuse through it, and this is like such a bluey teal. It's scrumptious.
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous. You could wear it open too. We're gonna.
Oh yeah.
We should take a few videos and style these nicely and show the ladies a few different ways to wear them.
Totally, yeah. Over tank dress or a pencil skirt.
Yeah.
Of course, you take it away on your sunny vacation, but early on in the spring, you can start wearing this, you know, with a pair of jeans and t-shirt.
Absolutely.
Okay.
All right, let's see what's next. Ooh.
Oh, pants skirt.
Pants.
Oh, amazing.
A nice basic lantern pants.
Oh, love.
Beautiful weight of the fabric.
Yeah, travel fabric.
Yeah.
Which is literally travel fabric, right? You bring it in your suitcase. It doesn't wrinkle, and you. Oh, beautiful design.
The darts at the bottom.
The details.
Yeah.
And the little cuff here.
Yeah.
And then pockets, of course.
Straight flat front and then elastic back.
Love.
They're going to be great. So as a pair with this top.
Oh my God.
Gorgeous.
No brainer.
No brainer.
And then you can pick it up with some nice chartreuse. Julie from Siska, who a lot of you lovelies have already.
Yeah.
And look at this.
Our spring Ziska should be in, and there is a lot of chartreuse in it.
Is there?
Yeah, and pinks.
Okay.
Pinks and oranges, it's beautiful.
Oh.
And blues and teals, and oh my goodness.
I feel the blues and
All
teals
our
are
favorite
very
colors.
springy, right?
Oh, this fabric, ladies. This is that Cupra.
Oh, yeah.
We have to talk about the Cupra.
Cupra, right. Oh my goodness, look
Cupra
at
is
it.
a man-made, oops, sorry.
Oh, it's the other way around.
A man-made
Oh, that's
fabric
why. It's got this cowl.
from recycled cotton.
Yeah,
Beautiful. It's like, they say it's like a silk, but not with the maintenance of a silk that you need. But it hangs and feels like a silk, but it washes and wears a little bit.
Plus it's recycled, right?
And
so
it's recycled,
it's very eco-friendly.
Very eco-friendly fabric.
And I love this. Is going to look amazing.
I know. It's just going to drape, right?
Drape, right.
Yeah, beautiful.
So you
and
could wear this underneath here.
You
too,
could
right?
absolutely, and have it open. We should show that. Yeah. And then with the black pants, look, but there's a side slit. How great is that?
Yeah, fantastic.
And then with the black in here, you can pick up the pants.
Great.
Absolutely beautiful.
Beautiful. This over the black,
pants.
Ah.
I know. This was like, you're going to love these.
Oh my God.
I know.
Jeez.
Wide
Louise.
leg.
Look at
in the Cupra again.
Oh.
So it's a very soft, silky fabric.
Gorgeous.
And it drapes beautiful.
And
nice little.
I love these wide-legged pants. Matching hot weather, windy, walking on a pier or, a boulevard.
Beautiful. With that tank top.
With the
or
tank.
if you want some sleeves, wear it with the jacket.
Yeah.
But how cool to have the outfit.
Mix match. Oh.
And then imagine just some big chartreuse earrings.
Yeah, that's what I would wear.
Or
and a big bangle.
A bliss or a good chunky bliss.
Of course.
That would sit beautifully in there.
What else?
So there are 2 basic tops.
Oh my, that's so smart.
Yeah. 2 basics.
Yeah. Oh, this top.
Yeah. So it's a linen cotton combo in this V-neck with a nice sleeve.
Yeah.
A patch pocket, and then this is a bit of a satin feel here.
Yeah, finish.
And there's a nice little design there in the front.
And look at this.
Yeah,
look,
so cool.
You know?
And light, again, for the hot weather.
Love.
Just wear it under as a little base staple. Look at, I know. Look at how beautiful that would be, just to cash up the pants.
Oh my gosh.
And then you could wear the little jacket over, right? The
yes.
first one we picked.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Over either of them.
Oh, totally. Love.
But great basics. You're going to love the feel of this fabric.
And the shape too, eh?
And the shape too, yeah. Yeah, I'm excited to style these. They're going to be beautiful.
I can't wait.
This is our first box that we just received.
Yeah, many more will come soon.
Yeah, but this is the resort wear from Ozai N Ku. So we also have a spring-summer collection coming from Ozai N Ku, but this is their resort wear.
Ah.
Look at the t-shirt.
Oh my gosh, Tessa.
I know.
How cool is that?
How cool is that? It picks up the pants.
My goodness, look at it.
Yeah. So it's an oversized tee.
Is it sized or is it
total
one size?
dolman style?
Wow, this is great.
Yeah, great.
But picture also white linen pants.
Yeah,
black
gorgeous.
Linen pants.
And it'll hang.
You
it'll
know,
drape
look,
so beautifully.
black linen.
Nice little slip detail here.
Yeah.
Great hemline with the opposite fabric.
And this will be a drop shoulder, so the sleeve actually will hit you here.
All right, I'm excited about this next one. It's a bit bright, but it is so stunning. And I think over the pants, it's going to drape so beautifully.
Look at it.
Look at that. And the texture on this, ladies.
Yeah.
And then it has the viscose sleeve.
Yeah.
And plain viscose back.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
So generous, oversized
Very
fit,
generous.
but it'll fall
it will
so nicely.
have lots of swing.
So and it has the texture in the front. It's a boat neck here.
Yeah.
Which is really beautiful.
Really gorgeous.
And then at the back, it's just the plain.
Yeah, it doesn't have the
plain
pleating.
visco.
Beautiful. How cool would this be?
I know.
Right?
Yeah. And great over these pants. Like it really picks up that cool artsy. All right. Oh my God, I forgot about this.
The skirt.
Probably my favorite piece.
Oh, how interesting.
So a totally cool bubble balloony skirt.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Which are always so important.
Yeah.
And I just want to throw this back to, well, you can obviously wear it with this. That'd be an amazing outfit.
Yeah.
But I want to throw it back to the t-shirt there because
this
fabric, this fabric is in the hemline there. So you can have a bit of a boxier feel.
And it's on the opposite side.
Yeah.
That is very cool.
Also an outfit.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Lovely.
I love when we do the buying for these that like we have like great outfits to just because sometimes ladies come in and they say, well, you know,
what goes with what?
And they say, well, you know.
This is an entire collection,
It's an entire collection.
And then of course any of these too, right?
Absolutely.
If you don't want a
lot
of
basic tee, that'd be so cute.
Very artsy look this, you know?
Very cool. And again, like cruise wear and just being south, like how great. It's all natural fibers, all light and airy.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And last but not least, a stunning dress.
Oh.
In all the fabrics.
Oh my. Oh,
great little
gorgeous.
V.
Wow.
Little cap sleeve.
Beautiful.
This will fit anyone. It's such a great
floor length.
Yes,
I love it.
Nice long.
Very
they've
long.
done this silhouette for quite a while, and it's great for all sizes.
Yeah.
So the Ozai N Ku collection goes extra small to double X, but then some of them they have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we do have size charts in there, so follow the size charts.
Right.
So with these beautiful spring pieces, we are still wearing our lovely fall winter pieces, which you look fabulous in that color. And I believe these are your own leggings.
Yeah.
She's been wearing these a lot.
I like them. They're nice.
Yeah.
They're nice weight. I like them a lot, actually. And I love this color, right?
It's gorgeous.
And I wore my long tank because I wouldn't want to show the leggings as they are. So it's nice. The long tank is like a little mini dress, and then the little, and this is
I
so
love
cozy.
This, and it's so cozy. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is fabulous.
It's so fantastic.
Yeah,
we crank the heat and we're nice and cozy.
Nice and cozy now. But you've accessorized it so nice. With
Thank you. Thank
beautiful.
you. And my baubles.
Yeah.
Baubles. And you? Oh, this is such a nice color too. Yeah.
Yeah, I love the purple.
Yeah.
We just have a few left in the purple. And I love this necklace.
Yeah.
I love this collection with the copper.
Yeah.
And then your drip earrings, I called them the drips.
Yeah.
They're so beautiful.
They're a little dramatic.
And that's that rose quartz color. Gorgeous. Yeah, I was going to say, Lousje wore these leggings too the other day, just with a beautiful black tunic.
Yes.
And that's like, these are so great for that. You just wear it with your black.
All you need
just
is
have that pop in the leggings.
Yeah.
And they're 100% cotton, hey? With a little bit of lycra.
Yeah. Great quality. It's creases.
Yeah.
It's the fabric is
bar none.
Yeah.
Yeah. As always, if you have any questions, please let us know. I think we're going to take the next few days and style these up.
I can't wait.
They're so beautiful. So they're all online today, ladies, and watch out for the next 2 days. Me and Lousje are going to style them up for you. So exciting. I can't wait.
Okay.
Hey?
Hope you liked it. Hope you're excited and some color in your lives again.
Yeah. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our Instagram as well, because we have lots of great pictures on there that you don't see in other places. As always,
keep on smiling.